Stratford Road. But let me go up and come back down and show you what Stratford Road is going on with in the Somalian town. Yes. We're gonna go across the road and go across. Yeah, they built up all of this new building right here. I'm gonna go across the road so you can see it, but you alright, brother? Yes, there's it right over there now. Nice new building on Stratford Road right there. But all of them new buildings, so you see all of Birmingham improving. And then you got pure business down there. You got your shoes, you got your fruits, your vegetable. And the place is clean. You got your barber shop. See, that's the new building over there, Simone House. It's mostly Somalian village. Somalian brothers. Yeah. And Indians, and Pakistani. Alright, here up. You got your butcher. All the new houses. They got the apartment up there, and then you got the houses right there.
Pepsi and Pepsi Max. That's all they had.
Stratford Road, Stratford Road, Stratford Road. That used to be my virgin barber shop across the road. Right over there, it's taken over by Somali. Used to be a J.A. barber. That took over, turning something else. I don't know if it's still going. It look like off this and off that. Yeah, it turned into something else completely. What did it turn into? It like it got off convenient mini market, and then it got next spot shop. Friend them used to be on that road. I used to have a food shop right in there. Fire shop right there. But yeah, it's looking cold. Stratford Road for you, Birmingham. I think this part of Stratford Road is Somalian. You got the next part of Stratford Road that's crowded, that's Asian. Just pay Asian business. Yeah. But this is Birmingham for you. Loads of barbershop, loads of business. Everything. Managa. Loads of barbershop. Everybody want a haircut. Loads of food shop. Clothes. Barbershop again. And my brother have a barbershop and then my next brother have a barbershop down it's a color. Yeah, next friend is at a barbershop over there. Colors.
What's it called? 24 hours a day?
Yeah. It's not only Somalian around here, but lately I think other ethnic around here as well, but I think it's mostly Somali. But yeah, this is a lower part of Stratford Road. This place that fix Benz on top car. Top cars. Sparkbrook Community Health Center around there. Stratford Road, Sparkbrook. But yes. I guess we don't know them language. But yeah. Ultra Youth Alpha Sat Restaurant. Yeah, my brother is having a film shop right just so. Color. Barber shop and ear product, woman. Ear product, right? Just a color is a shop right there now. Turkish. Okay. Turkish, them take over and shop. Yeah, this is a color is a shop. You can get some nice Turkish wear. I don't know still. The tight jeans on you. The ding. What's going on, Gav? What's going on?
Why you called me, akhi?
I'm doing YouTube. I was looking at your shoes.
Oh my God, this nice camera, wallah, mashallah.
Yeah, mashallah. Yo, you know this building used to be my brother's barber shop, color, years ago.
Before?
Yeah, a couple of years ago. I ain't been down here in a while. I passed here, but I ain't stopped.
Wallah.
Yeah, how much is this? How much?
This one, this Jordan, this one 55.
Yeah. Good knockoff.
Good material.
I realized you're Turkish.
Yes.
I'm meant to go Turkey. I got some good. I ain't been there yet. I'm gonna go.
Nice,
I'm going
nice
next year.
Nice country.
How much? 60.
55.
55.
Yes.
I like the colors, you know. I'm going to come to your shop. How much is this one?
This one 65.
Because I've been seeing some website pop up with these things and they're foreign China. I'm like,
No, this is not China.
local. All right, Gav. I definitely gonna come see you back.
Welcome.
You
Welcome, my brother.
take card?
Car, everything. Cash, transfer, everything.
It make me feel like I want to buy something now.
I have bag for you. 50 bag.
Let me see. How much you do them for?
Last one. Better than this.
This ain't good. Yeah, this not nice still.
This is nice.
Yeah, that's nice. Suit and everything. How much are the jumpers?
This one 50, this full suit.
This?
Yes.
Top and bottom?
Yes.
Oh, they're full.
Top
Oh, okay.
65, jacket.
Yeah, nice going out, dressing up jackets. Yeah, nice, Gaff. Nice.
Really nice.
Nice. What about the jeans, them?
Which one?
Not too much tight, not no tight. Jeans. How much you do the coats them for?
This is 40.
50. Yo, people, y'all need to come here, come get your thing, and don't worry about the weight. These are nice. The jeans, yeah. I want straight jeans like this, man. Yeah.
Regular.
Yeah, this my style, you know. This my style. This 50 as well. Where Gaff on?
Change gaffer. Like this magic.
This 50 as well. This 50 as well, ain't it?
Yeah, it's 50 years.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to come back. I just. Yeah. I'm definitely coming back out here, man.
Take something now. Come on,
Huh?
man. I miss your money. Take one jacket, only one jacket.
I didn't plan to come by.
This one nice. Give it
No, this one.
give you bag.
No, not that color, not that color.
Black, give you black.
I want something a little bit. I like this still. But I just went on holiday.
Jacket number 1.
Look, you see this? I wear this too much, and I just wear it, yeah.
There is a ghost.
And I got waiting in a big jacket.
No problem.
But no, man, I'm definitely waiting to come back. But thanks, Gaff.
You're welcome.
Thank you for showing me around, man.
No
Thank
problem.
you. All right, I'll definitely come back, man. Don't worry. And people will come. Yeah. Nice shops and clothes and bags and coat knockoff though. But they're really good quality, and they're Turkish. Yeah, so plan to buy nothing. But yeah. I got too many shoes right now. I just want to buy a pair of trainers the other day when I was going on holiday. I got too much shoes. I ain't got foot to put them on. You see me? I know foot to put them on. And man, all right, go. You good? That used to be J Barber. If anybody know, J Barber turned to something else. I think my virgin. But that's Stratford Road. Stratford Road, Sparkbrook. Stratford Road, Sparkbrook. But yeah, Turkish is here with them goods. I didn't even know that. So everybody looks so crisp nowadays. They look like they're wearing it. Anybody paying no full price, no bullshit right now. Just to look good, we impressing. Yes, well, my battery I got dead here now, so I'm gonna finish this vlog. The Stratford Road. And this is that new building. I'm telling you, they build up. And them these are new houses anywhere right here along this road. There's clear new houses, so right here used to be an open lot. I don't remember what used to be here. I remember right there used to be an open lot.